everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name's Messina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Alright, okay. Earth Days this week. To celebrate, this week we're going to be reading books that are all about the planet that we live on. Okay, our first book is Earth Day by Rachel Grach, published by Scholastic. Earth Day is here. Families bike and enjoy nature. People clean up trash in neighborhoods. They plant trees in parks. It is Earth Day. What is Earth Day? Earth Day is a holiday about caring for the environment. People help keep the air, land, and water clean. They do things that are green. How to be green. Be green by practicing the 3 R's every day. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, turn off the lights and water when not in use. Reuse, use lunch boxes and cloth bags instead of paper and plastic. Recycle, separate cans, plastic, glass, and paper from trash. Who celebrates Earth Day? Earth Day started in the United States. Today, people all over the world celebrate this holiday. They honor the planet and make the environment cleaner. Earth Day beginnings. Before 1970, there were very few laws about pollution. Factories dumped waste into rivers and lakes. They filled the air with harmful smoke. Endangered animals were not protected. Many Americans wanted people to care about nature. They held the first Earth Day on April 22, 1970. It was a success. The day helped to pass laws that protect the environment. Time to celebrate. Most countries have Earth Day every April 22nd. Other countries celebrate on the first day of spring. Some communities do green activities all week. Earth Day traditions. Earth Day reminds people to save water and electricity. People donate or reuse old items. They also teach others how to recycle. People take action on Earth Day. They pick up roadside trash. Some people walk instead of drive. Others plant gardens and trees. And then here we have some instructions on how to plant baby lettuce. Many groups raise money to save wildlife. Families learn about nature at special events. People around the world protect the environment on Earth Day. And here we have a glossary which gives you some of the definitions of words that we used. That was Earth Day. Did you guys learn anything new? What do you guys plan to do on Earth Day? Okay, our second book is I Am Planet Earth by Jean Marzollo, illustrated by Judith Moffett and published by Scholastic. I Am Planet Earth. I am the third planet from the sun. The sun gives me heat and light. I have many fine things. I have cool, wet water. I have hot, dry sand. I have leafy trees and jungles. I have mountains and valleys. I have warm green rice paddies. I have cold white ice. I have animals. I have people. I have towns. I have cities. And I have you. Can you find where you live? Can you find where you're born? Pretend a light is the sun. Shine the light on the globe. Can you see how the sun makes night and day? Night and day, I am your planet, the only one you have. Please take care of me. That was I Am Planet Earth. What'd you guys think? All right, everybody, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime Kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that we made to go with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this little guy, an earth headband. I forgot to make mine fit. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure that you grab the right kits or you could end up with something completely different than what I talked about. The kits for this story time are the Monday ones. They're in the group A crate and they're the red ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but we might have some left over from last story time if you ask. It never hurts to ask one of the librarians. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!